How to set up overdraft protection on your Chime account. First, open the Chime app, then log into your Chime account by using your email and password. When you are in home page, navigate to the settings option. Scroll down a bit and you will find a section labeled Overdraft Fee Free. Here you can enable or disable the Spot Me feature. By default, most users start with $100 limit, but this can vary based on your account activity and history. Slide it to enable Spot Me and you are all set. This means you can overdraft up to $100 on your debit card purchase. Tap Next. Tap Enroll in Spot Me. After turning on the Spot Me feature, you have to agree with terms and conditions of Spot Me. Then you are done. Thanks for watching.